Did you know the innovative concept of the original sphere that inspired the Las Vegas Dome was a collaboration between Pacific Domes and Obscura Digital, which then made way for the MSG project. Originally envisioned as a stadium, the influence of Pacific Dome's amazing structures, from our Antarctic Dome at Coachella to our 360 Dome in Dubai. Pacific Dome transformed it into the awe-inspiring sphere we see today. Developed by Obscura Digital and Pacific Domes, then brought to life by the Madison Square Garden Company, the MSG Sphere is not just another venue, it represents a new era in entertainment. Pacific Domes, renowned for our innovative and award-winning dome structures, played a pivotal role in bringing the MSG Sphere to life. Together with Obscura Digital, we crafted the original prototype, showcasing our commitment to pushing the boundaries of entertainment technology. And now that same innovation is available to you. Get your own custom dome by the company that helped start it all and become the owner of your own sphere. And the original prototype made by us is now available as well. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of innovative history. Contact our sales team today and experience the future of entertainment with Pacific Domes.